Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to change portrait to landscape in selected page on Google Docs. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Google Docs and this is my documents over there. So all the pages will be in portrait model. So I just want to select the pages and I just want to make that one as a landscape. For example, maximum people may understand. So if you select the pages means it will be all the pages will be in a landscape. So now the Google has provided selected page will be landscape and selected page will be in a portrait model. How to do that? So I just want to select the content over here. So I just select the first page, first content, and I just go to format menu and I just go to page orientation. Once I click a page orientation, there will be a apply to, there will be a whole document and selected content will be there. So I just want to select the content and just make as a landscape. Once I select the landscape and click OK means the first page will be the landscape, that is the selected page will be the landscape, and the second page will be the portrait model as you see here. So this is what I just need. So for example, I just delete this page over there so the landscape and portrait will be worked properly. So I just select the pages over here. So I just select the second or third pages, just go to format menu and go to page orientation and select the content or this forward section, this section or whole document you can choose. So just select this content and just make this one as landscape. Automatically it will move into landscape model as you see here. So landscape model will be ready, but the content is more means it will be, I just want to reduce the font size means it will convert into this, that is into this format, yeah, as you see here. So I just make this one as a 9 means that's empty pages will become over here. So after that it will be in a landscape to portrait model. So this is a beautiful option which is given from the Google Docs itself. If you want to change a portrait to landscape, it is easy. For example, I just want to change a portrait model to whole document into landscape. I just select whole document into landscape. So I just want only one page into portrait. So how to do that? I just select the pages over here. So I just go to the same page orientation, select the content and make a portrait. A portrait will be ready. So landscape and portrait and landscape will come. So this is a beautiful option. Use this option to create your beautiful presentation or documents for your college or school or your work. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.